Looking to play your vintage 78 RPM records with crisp, authentic sound? The Audio-Technica AT-VM95SP, Headshell and Cartridge combo kit is designed specifically for that purpose. It offers a seamless way to enjoy and digitize those classic shellac records without compromising audio quality or ease of use. What sets this combo apart is the AT-VM95SP dual-moving magnet cartridge, featuring a 3.0 mm conical stylus made for 78 RPM mono records. Although it's built for mono, it's a stereo cartridge, letting you select between left and right channels. This feature is a game-changer for archiving, helping reduce noise and distortion so your recordings come through clean and clear. Plus, the aluminum cantilever and low-resonance polymer housing ensure durability and stable playback over time. Installation is straightforward thanks to the cartridge's threaded inserts. You only need 2 screws, no nuts or washers, to mount it on the AT-HS6BK headshell. This standard half-inch mount makes it compatible with most turntables, giving you flexibility if you want to switch setups or upgrade later. The cartridge also supports any AT-VM95 replacement stylus, extending its lifespan and keeping your sound sharp. From personal experience, upgrading to the full cartridge and headshell combo rather than just the stylus makes a noticeable difference. Swapping between speeds is hassle-free. You only need to adjust the tracking force without rebalancing the tone arm. The sound quality is impressive, capturing the warmth and detail of your vintage records with ease. If you're serious about preserving your 78 RPM collection, this kit is worth a look. Beyond the technical specs, here's what you get: a frequency response spanning 20 to 20,000 Hz and a recommended vertical tracking force of 4.5 to 5 grams, 5.0 grams standard. The bonded round shank stylus shape ensures smooth contact with grooves, protecting your records while delivering rich audio. All of this combines to give you a reliable, high-quality playback experience that respects the legacy of your vinyl. If you've been hunting for a reliable, easy-to-install cartridge that truly respects the nuances of 78 RPM records, the Audio-Technica AT-VM95SP, Headshell cartridge combo offers a clear solution. It's designed to bring out the best in your vintage collection without fuss or compromise. Try it when you're ready to elevate your listening and archiving experience.